The third wave is the endless pursuit of delivering incredible tasting coffee, perfecting every part of the process from seed to cup. And it can't truly be experienced without the right machine. When these two elements meet, you get the ultimate taste experience. Now you too can experience third wave specialty coffee at home with Breville's 4 keys formula that replicates commercial machine performance. Taste the Breville difference today.
I heard the phrase baptism by fire a lot, and I kind of shrugged it off as, okay, yeah. I kind of grew up around the company my whole life, so I had what I thought was a pretty good handle on what we did. The day that I had been here a month, Rick LeBlanc came to me and said, okay, you've been here a month, the gloves are off, there's no more, don't worry, you're new. You gotta know your stuff and you gotta know it quick because we're moving 1,000 miles an hour.
Curtis is a privately owned family company. They don't have shareholders and they're not looking at their profits from quarter to quarter. So they do a good job at looking long term, not short term. And I make mention of that because it has been a huge capital investment in the last 10 years to put the facility together, to buy the equipment, to buy the new technology, to take advantage of the innovation that's out there in the market and bring it under one roof here so that we can service the customers.
Wilbur Curtis started the business back in 1941, and my grandmother, Margaret Curtis, instilled quite a few values that still are here at Wilbur Curtis. I think she was very family-oriented. She wanted everybody to get ahead as best they could.
I think it's the people. I think it's the people that we brought together here as a team. I thoroughly enjoy working with them. I think they're enthusiastic. I think their attitude is tremendous. I think the level of integrity is tremendous. And I think they're always doing wild and crazy things. My job is to let them go free. It's really an exciting environment here. And I think our customers benefit from that.
What I love is the freedom to create. We're allowed to design, develop, run down different paths and try things. And get creative and think out of the box.
We had to come up with a way to market a product that the industry had never seen before.
The space program was hot. We were just landing on the moon. The Gemini looked so different, and it kind of looked space age.
So we got a NASA spacesuit, put a model in it, put him on set, and had him lifting off the satellite off one of the Gemini brewing systems, which was unheard of at the time. When we got out there, I think that everybody looked at Curtis and thought, wow, they're nuts. But that was the beginning of it. I mean, that was really a big milestone for Curtis.
One of the very important part of the design is final testing. We have a specific chamber which we're putting the equipment inside called HALT, Highly Accelerated Life Test. 1 day of testing in this chamber is equal to 1 year on the field. So if we test for 10 days, we are able to see it if the equipment is going to work for 10 years.
I always think, what would I want? If I were the customer, what kind of service do I want? What kind of equipment do I want? What kind of quality do I want? and I focus on that within our company. That's a real easy equation. I generally want it about as, I want it the best.
I think the reputation of the Curtis Company is a very important factor in who we are. People know that we're a quality company. We're a company that isn't out for the money, but really out for our customers. We hold ourselves to that and we try to improve.